Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with a wig install from This Is What the Hair Company Is. This is what the hair company is. I am currently rocking a like 28 inch closure wig, completely glueless. Super easy, very beginner friendly. If you guys are new to wigs and you guys just want to step into that wig game and kind of wear like throw on and go wigs, this is a perfect unit for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's just hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So we're back with another quick wig install. This time it's from DSOAR. Okay, this is going to be a closure wig install, so this is going to be a fairly easy one. Okay, hope you guys enjoy. Let's just hop straight into it. You do get some lashes, they give you a bonnet, and I got a 24 inch. It's 180 density, so it's about to give, and it's coming straight out of the package. Easy wig install. You guys are gonna see it's straight from out of the hair. So I'm not gonna like put it all the way on my hairline. So straight out of the package, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just cut the little back flap off. So the inside construction just looks like this. All right, going to just put it on our head. So like I said, this is a closure wig, just straight out of the package. I didn't like glue it down or anything like that, and this is what it's looking like. All right, the lace is actually pretty melty. The wig feels really good. Like I said, it is 26 inches. It's super long. This is just straight out of the package. Looks good. I'm going to just do a classic middle. Hair is actually very easy to manipulate, so I love that. So I'm going to just bring everything to the front. So at this point you can see that the hairline looks really good. I didn't do much of anything to it. I am going to go in with my water. This is the water. I'm going to just spray water at like the base of the hair, and then I'm going to take my just detangling Denman brush a bit just to like flatten that inside that part area, and then to just redefine these curls. The curl pattern and the texture is absolutely stunning. Okay, I did leave a bit of lace on, as you guys can see. Like maybe I should tint it a bit, but straight out of the package, this is a great easy throw on and go wig. It's giving a super frontal, like it's giving a nice closure-esque area. The curls are beautiful. Let me just stand up so you guys can see. I am 5'5", and it is stopping right here. I would say if you guys are looking for like the ultimate slay, do be sure to bleach your hairline, because once you bleach your hairline, it just makes everything just so much more natural. Even though I absolutely love the way it looks, like it looks really good and it looks pre-plucked and everything looks damn good, you know what I mean? But if you want a more natural-esque, do be sure to bleach the knots. It just makes everything just look better. All right, y'all, but these curls are bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a super quick wig install. Normally when it comes to closures, I feel like they're the easiest things to manipulate and or to put on your head, especially if you guys are like beginners. I didn't cut that much lace off, but if I were to cut the lace off and actually put it down with some type of glue, this would give the illusion that it was growing out of my scalp. So I absolutely love that. Hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, very beginner friendly wig install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me,
They gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.